In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to maintain privacy, add a professional touch, or just have some fun in your meetings, changing your background can really enhance your video call experience. Let's dive in. First, sign in to Microsoft Teams, open your Teams application, or navigate to the Teams website and click the Sign In button. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your meetings, chats, and Teams are accessible. Next, start a new meeting or join an existing one. You can do this from the calendar or chat section by clicking the Join button for the meeting you want to enter. If it's a meeting you scheduled, the Join option will be in the meeting details. Clicking Join connects you to the video call interface. Now that you're in the meeting, it's time to customize your background. Look for the Background Filters option, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Clicking it will open a sidebar with various background options. You can choose from Microsoft Teams' default backgrounds, ranging from simple blurred designs to thematic scenes. To select one, simply click on it, and it will automatically apply to your video preview. If you want something personal, there's also an option to upload your own custom background through the same menu. Make sure you're happy with your choice. The preview window shows exactly what others will see during the call, so you can adjust as needed. And that's it. You've successfully customized your background in Microsoft Teams. Using a custom background not only makes meetings more enjoyable, but it can also add privacy if you're working from home, or even set the mood for themed virtual events. Now you have the skills to adjust your background to your liking in Microsoft Teams effortlessly. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find these tips helpful. Next time you hop into a Teams meeting, feel free to explore and pick the backdrop that suits your style or the occasion best.